Shut up for you. Take off the bag. Take off the bag.
Blessings to all my viewers, like always, love and respect. Today, we've got some serious drama and hot topics to dive into. So grab your tea and get comfy, because we're about to break it all down. From Vybz Kartel's baby mother, Shorty, making a quick escape at a party, to Alkaline allegedly biting Vybz Kartel style. There's a lot to unpack. But that's not all. We're also talking about a taxi driver attacking a JUTC bus driver. What caused all that? Plus, I-Octane's steamy new music video Backaz that has people talking, Tarrus Riley offering a reward for his stolen phone, and Elaine Thompson-Herah slaying in a Jamaican swimsuit at the river. It's going to be a packed one, so make sure you stay tuned till the end, and as always, I love hearing your thoughts, so don't forget to leave a comment. Let's get into it. Last night, Vybz Kartel's baby mother, Shorty, was out enjoying herself at a party, and everything seemed cool, right? Good vibes, music pumping, typical Jamaican party style. But then, out of nowhere, chaos breaks loose. Two men got into it, and Shorty had to run for her life. Imagine that. 1 minute you're vibing, and the next you're bolting for the door. People have been showing Shorty mad respect for how fast she got out of there. Some folks in the comments were like, smart move, Shorty. And honestly, I can't disagree. When things start popping off like that, you gotta be quick. But now, some people are saying that the situation could have been avoided. So what do you all think? Could the party have been better organized? Or is this just part of the wild Jamaican nightlife? Let me know.
Shut up for you. Take off the bag. Take off the bag. Man, catch up, guys. I'm leaving. Me not stay for 6 hours. Me not.
You have the key?
Yeah. I let my car key.
Oh, Jesus. Still alive?
Yeah, me not wait for 6 hours.
Oh, God.
Me not in my car, man.
Yes, babe. I know I bought 4 shots fire a while ago. You leave the party now.
Me I end the life, guys.
Let's talk about the never-ending Vybz Kartel and Alkaline saga. We've been hearing this for years. People saying that Alkaline copies everything about Vybz Kartel. Whether it's his look, his mannerisms, or even the way he presents himself in interviews, the comparisons just don't stop. And let's not forget the bleaching, the hair. Alkaline has been accused of mirroring Vybz Kartel style right down to the smallest details. And here's where it gets really spicy. Some folks think that Vybz might be feeling some type of way about Alkaline's moves. I mean, think about it. If someone's basically cloning your image, it might feel like a compliment at first, but after a while, wouldn't that get a little irritating? Here's a little-known fact. Did you know that Alkaline's infamous Vendetta tag was originally used by Vybz Kartel? Yeah, wild, right? And even down to a match lighting moment Vybz had during an interview. Alkaline copied that too. You can go watch the videos online. The similarities are crazy. So why is it that interviewers are always asking Vybz about Alkaline, but rarely do we see anyone asking Alkaline about how he feels copying Vybz so much? That's the real question.
Here some other people go up online now and talk about why the interviewers them don't ask Vybz Kartel about Alkaline. Come on now, man. Think about it. Vybz Kartel about 48, 49, thereabout, right? And Alkaline at 30, thereabout, right? One time with this year's Alkaline and Vybz Kartel are twin. Yeah, them favor. You know, see Alkaline replicate the man so much. Alright, you know when you go to the doctor for your prescription, you tell them where you're going with you, and the doctor give you a prescription, so you go to the pharmacy. And when you go to the pharmacist look on you and tell you, say, them not have the original, them have the generic. Alkaline are the generic. Because, come on, man, Alkaline, the only thing an interviewer can ask Vybz Kartel is, hey, Vybz Kartel, how do you feel or how do you think by looking at Alkaline that an artist like Alkaline replicate you so much? How do you think? How you feel about that? He replicates how you walk. He replicates how you talk. He replicates how you do interview. He replicates how you dress. He replicates how you bleach your skin. He replicates your ear or you braid your hair. He replicates you put braces in your mouth. How do you feel, Vybz Kartel, about the artist replicate you so much? The only question you can ask Vybz Kartel. Think about it. What else you could have asked Vybz Kartel when it comes to Alkaline? Nothing. Nothing at all. Because the Alkaline I follow Vybz Kartel. Him replicate him so much. One time Vybz Kartel did do an interview. Did you know that the song? No, the name Vendetta. Yes. The name Vendetta come from Vybz Kartel, you know. Jesus praise. The name Vendetta. If one is a true Alkaline fan, one would know this, you know. The name Vendetta, Vybz Kartel first say it, you know. And Alkaline grab the name. Yeah. One time Vybz Kartel did do an interview. I don't know if it, I don't remember if it was a Light-Time did have. Or is a, I think it was a, or it was a Matches in did have. I think it was a Matches. And him light the matches on the interview. And you know say Alkaline actually replicate the same interview. I like the lighter. Yes. Go look on it. Go type in Alkaline replicate Vybz Kartel on YouTube. I'm telling you. Go and go look on it. Yo. And from them time that when I see him do that, I say, no sir, that youth you gone. Yeah man. Because I never know so one man couldn't follow a man, so. No sir. We used to say, no, something wrong you say, no. Something wrong you say. Yeah. Because every now and then we used to listen to Alkaline song, you know. Yeah. Everybody can admit to them used to listen to Alkaline song, but when I see too much man I do certain things that look too funny to me, you know. You know, because I don't know we're straight, you know, we love the woman them, you know. Yeah. When I see certain man I do certain things, we'd have to back off it and say, no sir. I want to hear them music, yeah. You know? Yeah. And then him go bring out the body wash thing again. I say, no sir. Definitely don't want to listen to music. That's so. Yeah, you know what I say? Yeah. But, come on, man. It don't make sense that interviewer asks Vybz Kartel nothing about Alkaline. No, sir. The interviewer them have to always ask Alkaline about Vybz Kartel because Alkaline replicate Vybz Kartel. Yeah.
Over the weekend, a video went viral showing a taxi driver in a heated altercation with a JUTC bus driver. People were shocked when the taxi driver started throwing what looked like stones at the bus and then sprinted back to his car. The JUTC driver responded by reversing and bumping into the taxi as it drove off. Now here's where it gets spicy. The taxi driver has come forward, giving his side of the story. According to him, the JUTC driver started it. He claims that this all went down at the UTEC gate, and the bus driver was the one who forced him into taking such aggressive action. He's saying it wasn't fair how the bus driver acted, and that anyone in his situation would have been upset. What do you all think? Was this a case of self-defense, or did the taxi driver go too far? I-Octane is turning up the heat with this one. His new video, directed by Bling Blang, was shot in Miami and shows him playing the role of a prison guard in the fictional Pum Pum Boss Correctional Center. Now, as you can guess from the title, this one's aimed at the ladies, and it's definitely one of his raunchiest tracks yet. Fans are loving it, with many praising him for giving the ladies a dancehall anthem. But let's be real, has I-Octane gone too far with this one? Some of his earlier work, like Stab Vampire, was more reggae-focused, but now he's leaning into a party vibe. Do you think this shift is what dancehall needs right now? Or should he stick to his roots? I want to hear from you. The She's Royal singer is pleading for his business phone to be returned, and he's willing to pay a $2,000 US. That's over 300,000 Jamaican dollars reward. He doesn't care who took it, he just wants his phone back. In his video message, Tarrus made it clear that the person who returns the phone can remain anonymous. He's even willing to have it sent through a friend, no questions asked. Do you think the reward will work? And what would you do if you found the phone? Drop your thoughts below.
So watch I know, a man take up my phone or a woman take up my phone, or me put down my phone bag. Anyway you look on it, I need back my phone for do my business. My business phone with my work on it. By 2,000 USD, award, reward. Turn in the phone and collect your thing. When I want to know you, you don't have to hide, you don't have to shame, you can send it to that friend. Just do the right thing and send in the phone. Don't wipe the phone. Yeah, I need the phone for my work. Send it in and collect your money. Don't sell the phone, sell me back my phone. Simple. $2,000 more than the phone value, and it's more than you can get for it to sell it to somebody. So they sell me the phone and make it just live. Peace and chance.
Elaine has been posting photos of her adventures, and her latest post shows her in a Jamaican swimsuit at the river. After an injury cut her season short, it's great to see her having fun and focusing on her wellness. She's been doing everything from horseback riding to ATV adventures, and she's keeping her fans entertained with her posts. What do you think about athletes like Elaine showing their personal side on social media? Is it refreshing, or should they stick to their sport? Let me know in the comments.